wanna take care of you? Well, don't you wanna take care of me too? We'll give you the life that you deserve, so we can go all over the world. We are a glimpse of a shooting star, and I dream of you no matter how far. We are summer when the nights are long, and I start to sing, everybody sing along. Well, time ago, we were younger, but I saw you standing beautiful like velvet roses. And oh, when we're old, you will be beautiful. Don't you know that you're my every fantasy? When I look into your eyes, well, they light up like 1,005 lights. Well, hey, look at you. Don't you know I do anything you want me to do? And I stop and I think this can't be wrong. Start to sing, everybody sing along. Well, time ago, we were younger, but I saw you standing beautiful. And oh, when we're old, you will be beautiful. And whoa, you know you've heard this song before. And whoa, now we're laying on my floor. It's everything you wanted and more. Come on, I said, well, la-da-da-da-da, velvet roses, and well, la-da-da-da-da, velvet roses, and la-da-da-da, la-da-da-da, beautiful, like velvet roses, and well, la-da-da-da-da, velvet roses, and well, la-da-da-da-da, velvet roses, and well, la-da-da-da, la-da-da-da, beautiful, like velvet roses.
The main reasons for people's discontent is not being thankful for what they already possess. Millions are deprived of necessities to survive, but we wonder what's on